Let's make a wreath recipe with this month's Luxury Loops box from Kathy with Decorator Crafts. And I'm gonna start by making my bow. Now we're going to work in these two picks from Jam Designs and Supplies. Next, we're going to go in with some of this extra greenery from Jam Designs and Supplies. Next, we're gonna pop in a couple of these. Next, we're gonna go in with this beautiful bush from Jam Designs and Supplies. Let's add some of this heather spray. We're gonna add the last little bit of this filler. I needed to use it up, so it's going in there, and then we'll be done. This is what we got for this edition of the wreath recipe. So I hope you liked it.